This is the new Compact Axion XG35 thermal spotter from Pulsar. It's lighter than its predecessor, and of course being compact, it's also smaller too. But did you know, it's also cheaper. Still gives you a 12.5 degree field of view through the same big 35mm fast f1 lens. It's just that now it's even more pocket-sized, without scrimping on the spec. How many deer can you see? All of them with this 640x480 12 micron sensor, 2.5 times native mag that you can digitally zoom to 20 times. It's got a new wider format display, as well as a choice of 8 different colour palettes. And now you can record up to 64 GB of video, all at the touch of a button. And the removable, rechargeable battery can keep you going for up to 7 hours. This is the Pulsar Axion XG35 COMPACT, and I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.